The camera industry is heating up once again, and this time all eyes are on Nikon. A fresh wave of leaks has given us our first look at the Nikon Z90, a highly anticipated addition to Nikon's growing mirrorless lineup. If these early details are accurate, the Z90 is shaping up to be one of the most powerful APS-C mirrorless cameras Nikon has ever released. From its brand new sensor to flagship-grade autofocus and the ability to shoot 4K video at 120 frames per second, this camera might redefine what creators can expect from a mid-range body. This in-depth first look covers everything we know so far: rumored specifications, design updates, video performance, autofocus improvements, target audience, comparisons with competitors, pricing expectations, and possible release dates. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. Whether you're a photographer, videographer, or content creator, the Z90 could be the camera that puts Nikon back in the conversation for best-in-class hybrid shooters. Nikon Z series has been steadily expanding since the launch of its first full-frame mirrorless cameras back in 2018. While models like the Z6 II, Z7 II, and Z8 have dominated the professional market, Nikon has also made major moves in the APS-C space. Cameras like the Z50 and ZFC offered a more compact, affordable entry point, while the Z30 was designed for vloggers and content creators. The Z90, however, looks like a different beast altogether. Instead of being an entry-level option, it's rumored to be a flagship APS-C camera, designed for serious enthusiasts and professionals who want speed, power, and video capabilities without the full-frame price tag. Leaks and insider reports suggest that the Nikon Z90 will feature some truly impressive hardware. Here are the highlights. New APS-C BSI CMOS sensor with around 30 megapixels, offering higher resolution and better low-light performance than the Z50 and ZFC. X8 image processor, providing faster readout speeds, better noise control, and improved color reproduction. Autofocus system from the Nikon Z8/Z9, bringing flagship subject tracking and AI-powered recognition into the APS-C world. Burst shooting of up to 20 frames per second mechanical and 40 frames per second electronic, making it perfect for sports and wildlife photographers. Video capabilities: 4K 120 frames per second slow-motion recording, 6K oversampling for 4K 60 frames per second footage, 10-bit N-Log and HLG support for serious color grading. Internal RAW video options, yet to be confirmed. In-body image stabilization, IBIS, with up to 7 stops of compensation. Viewfinder, 3.69 OLED EVF with 120 Hz refresh rate. LCD screen, fully articulating 3-inch vari-angle touchscreen, great for vlogging. Connectivity, dual card slots, CF Express Plus SD UHS-2, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2. Battery, expected to use the EN-EL15C with improved efficiency for longer shooting times. If even half of these specs prove true, the Z90 would be the most advanced APS-C mirrorless camera Nikon has ever produced. The standout feature from the leaks is without doubt the ability to shoot 4K video at 120 frames per second. This brings Nikon into direct competition with Sony's A6700 and even Panasonic's GH6 in the video space. Creators will now have access